Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you sold stocks, crypto, or other investments last year, you probably received a 1099-B form. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to file a 1099-B on TurboTax for your 2024 taxes. By the end of this video, you'll know every step to get it done quickly and accurately. So stay tuned and follow along. First, head over to the official TurboTax website. Sign in using your existing Intuit account. If you don't have one, you can easily create a free account. Once you're in, choose the 2024 taxes section. This is where all your current tax filing details will be organized. On the top menu, click the Federal tab. Under Federal, select Wages and Income. This is where you'll find all income types, including your investment income. Locate Investment and Savings scroll down until you see the Investments and Savings category. Click on it, and then select Stocks, Cryptocurrency, Mutual Funds, Bonds, Other 1099B. This is the section specifically designed for entering 1099B forms. Enter your 1099B details. Now grab your physical or digital copy of Form 1099B from your broker. TurboTax will guide you step by step, asking for the exact details shown on your form. You'll enter information like the name of your brokerage or financial institution, dates of purchase and sale, cost basis and proceeds for each transaction. TurboTax even offers the option to import your 1099-B directly from many major brokers. If your broker supports it, this can save a ton of time and reduce errors. After entering everything, TurboTax will automatically calculate your capital gains or losses. Carefully review the summary screen, double-check that all numbers match your 1099-B and that nothing is missing. When you're confident it's correct, continue through the rest of your return as usual. Before you file, TurboTax will run a final review to flag any missing details. If all is clear, you can e-file right away and even set up direct deposit for any refund. And that's it. You've successfully filed your 1099-B in TurboTax for the 2024 tax year. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more easy tax and finance guides, and share it with anyone who needs to report their investment income this year. Filing your taxes doesn't have to be stressful when you know the right steps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.